2 years in the making, and then it dropped 75%. Flare Network officially handed out their airdrop tokens, albeit only 15% of the total supply. But what happened is we saw a 75% decline in the price. What happened? Is Flare worth buying into? And why was there such a significant drop in the price? We're going to get into all of that in this video. But if you are holding XRP or you bagged yourself some Flare, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below if you were lucky enough and you did that form 2 years ago. But we're going to get into all of it in this video and more. So taking a look at Flare. Now, I dropped a video yesterday particularly talking about the airdrop and ultimately what people were going to see. But here is the Flare Network. What is it all about? Now, 2 years ago, you had to be a holder of XRP. You had to then submit a form based on what you held in order to be eligible for this Flare Network. And then 2 years down the line, you finally get your Flare tokens and it dumps 75%. So what is Flare? Well, Flare is a layer 1 EVM blockchain that has two core protocols, the State Connector and the Flare Time Series Oracle. These protocols allow developers to create an ecosystem of robust and decentralized interoperability applications. That's why we say hashtag connect everything. Now, a lot of people believe that XRP could in some time flip Ethereum, could become the second biggest cryptocurrency out there and allow people to build on the XRP. Now, I did a review on an NFT project that built out on the XRP blockchain, and it's a very, very interesting project. And equally, it is a very interesting blockchain to build out. What is Flare trying to do that's different? Well, it's a reliable, decentralized prices. The FTSO utilizes the network structure to deliver highly decentralized prices and data series to decentralized applications and Flare without relaying to centralized providers directly into the network without having to pull information from everywhere. It's a secure state acquisition from other blockchains. It's scalable, and we see EVM based on a couple of other layer ones as well. But EVM becomes scalable under smart contracts. And the big bit for anyone building blockchains, it's fast, it's low fee, and ultimately it's low carbon. So the next generation technology brings fast, secure, and efficient transactions with very low gas fees and a smart carbon footprint. We know Ethereum moved over to proof of stake because of the insane amount of energy that has been used. Now, they're already building out some new technologies and equally some new parts of their ecosystem. So you can see that a non-smart contract token bridging, which ultimately will then bridge between things like BTC, Dogecoin, and also be able to participate in DeFi on the Flare bridge to other chains. The insured bridging layer cake will be a material advance in the security, speed, and scalability of bridging between smart contract networks, addressing core vulnerabilities and existing approaches. Again, interlinking between those core smart contract networks. Very, very interesting indeed. And cross-chain measuring by relay, secured and staked relay of data between multiple chains, including Flare, will provide secure cross-chain composability and interoperability. So really, really interesting project. Lots of this utility that comes out. But why 2 years? Why the 70%? Now, taking a look at the pricing, see currently it sits at 4 cents, down 72.3%. Now, CoinGecko is reporting a $62.9 million trading volume. However, when you look at it in Gate.io, and it's on things like Kraken, Gate.io, and a couple of other exchanges, there is no real volume going through this. Now, that's not to say in the future that there won't be, but in terms of if you're a trader out there and you want to trade this as an example, there isn't the volume that I think can support those trades. If you want to trade something like Luna Classic, Ethereum, Bitcoin, check out the link in the description. Mexi offering some free Luna Classic based on spot and trading fees, as well as all of your other favorite cryptocurrencies. It does support the channel out if you do obviously sign up to that link and deposit and trade on their platform. You don't have to, but definitely worthwhile checking out the link in the description. But you can see just not a massive amount of volume. Now, again, it's very early on, and with anything that dumps like it has, people become nervous. Now, this article again was produced earlier on. It says the airdrop was long awaited by the XRP community, with a project aiming to become the smart contract protocol that uses the XRP ledger. And again, that it's important that it's building upon XRP. Now, we know that obviously in the court case with the SEC, so obviously people are awaiting that comes out. But Flare not really caring and wanting to build on that. But it says that after nearly 2 years, Flare's tokens were finally distributed to XRP holders starting Monday night in an event that generated a massive amount of chatter among community members. Now, we haven't really seen XRP reflect the price that you would expect, but again, a lot of people just taking those Flare tokens and selling as it says more than 4.28 billion Flare tokens were shared and distributed amongst XRP holders who held at least one token during a snapshot in December 2020. The airdrop was conducted on a one-to-one basis, meaning one Flare for every XRP. Now, that is only true after all have been dropped. So people got 15%. So you do need to be mindful that if you feel like you haven't got it all, you've only got 15% of the supply and the rest will come to you, which actually means it could be an even bigger opportunity to buy into this, or we're going to see an even more aggressive dump on the market. It says the tokens were priced initially at 5 cents amid low liquidity on MEXC Global Exchange before tripling to 15 cents as exchanges such as OKX and Kraken joined in and liquidity increases. CoinGecko's data shows the price slumped to as low as 2 cents and was quoted recently at 4 cents on CoinGecko. The token amassed 34 million in trading volume as of 10:30 UTC on Tuesday. Now, ultimately, why do people do it? People have waited a long time. People probably even out of XRP. People could have got into XRP 2 years ago before the SEC case really kicked off. And now people are nervous that it's going to go in the favor of the SEC. Now, I'm not in that camp. You all know that if you've caught my videos. I genuinely think that XRP will win that. But people ultimately got this for free. They've probably moved on in the last 2 years. Remember, crypto, a day in cryptocurrency feels like, a lifetime in everywhere else. People will have just dumped the tokens. The markets are incredibly challenged and people had an opportunity to get some gains. Now, I think generally people knew this was going to be the case, and I think we will see some buying pressure come back in. But as we know, the rest of those token allocations will come live onto the network and we could see more aggressive dumps on it. But what it could give us is an opportunity potentially to buy back into this project. Again, looks like it's scalable, looks like there's a lot exciting to do with it, and it looks like it's really building out. And XRP is an incredibly exciting blockchain. All depends on this article and this SEC case. But Flare token, like I said, let me know in the comments down below. Did you get your free Flare token that you have been waiting 2 years for? What did you do with it? Did you buy or did you sell? As ever, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep up with all the information in the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. We'll try and bring you it as and when it happens. As ever, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.